The big story that we are tracking at this moment, all eyes on that crucial meeting between PDP patron Mufti Mohammad Saeed as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Let's quickly go across to headlines today's Smita Sharma, Shujaul Haq as well as Brijesh Pandey, who continue to be with us. Smita, just take us through what exactly is happening at Jammu and Kashmir House. In how much time is Mr. Mufti Mohammad Saeed supposed to leave Jammu and Kashmir House, go to the Prime Minister's house and perhaps in a way script history?
Well, Sanket, as far as Jammu Kashmir House is concerned, if I may ask our video journalist Amit to just zoom in a bit, you can see, of course, the entire fleet of cars that are waiting there. The Swift Desire that you see, in fact, some people getting in, that is not really the car where Mufti Saab is going to be in, but there are other bulletproof vehicles as well, and they will be the ones, really, that is the convoy where Mufti Sahab, in fact, will be heading towards 7 RCR. Security for Kashmiri leaders is always on a high issue, and, Mufti Saab is expected, in fact, in the next 5 to 7 minutes really to step out now, because that meeting is scheduled for 9:30 a.m. and the distance from Kautilya Marg to 7 Racecourse Road is just barely a few minutes, is just less than 2 kilometers really. But clearly, for Mufti Sahab, somebody who has been active in politics, in fact, for more than 50 years really, and who was an old Congress hand, he's also been a part of different governments at various points in time. That VP Singh led Janata government where he was a home minister, in fact, and where that entire controversy happened with his daughter Rubaya, who was kidnapped, and then which led, in fact, to a swap of military commanders as well for her release. It was only in 1995 really that Mufti Saab floated the PDP as a counter to the National Conference in the Valley. But now we can see some movement really, Sanket. We are expecting the PDP patron to step out any moment. We have been trying to call. He is not somebody who takes calls directly. Mehbooba Mufti, his daughter, in fact, is the person who does attend to calls on a lot of occasions. But this morning, in fact, we've been trying to reach her. Her phone has also been switched off. There's been a lot of speculation over the last few weeks, in fact, over the last 2 months, as the BJP and the PDP have tried hammering out all the finer details. Well, these are not really the cars that Mufti Saab has left for, but as I said, to the right, in fact, if you see, there's an entire fleet of cars. There's an ambassador, there's a bulletproof vehicles, and these are the vehicles that, in fact, Mufti Saab will be riding in all the way up to 7 RCR. But the question is really, how sustainable will this alliance be? For Mufti Sahab, this is really going to be the last time that perhaps he will be the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, given his health, given his age. And now, in fact, we can see the vehicles that are lining up. That is where Mufti Sahab, in fact, will be taking that ride up to RCR. Sanket?
Absolutely. We can see those visuals, and we'll stay with those visuals at this moment as we quickly play out an old interview, of Mufti Mohammad Saeed. And you can see in those visuals, Mufti Mohammad Saeed actually sitting in the vehicle at this moment. He's leaving for 7 Racecourse Road. Smita, do tell us where exactly is Jammu and Kashmir House from where Mufti Mohammad Saeed is going to leave and go to the Prime Minister's residence.
Well, Sanket, Jammu Kashmir House here is in Kautilya Marg, where there are a couple of other bhavans as well. It's just right next to Odisha Bhavan. The escort vehicle, in fact, now leaving. And there is that ambassador where you see Mufti Sahab, of course, being escorted by security. Mufti Sahab. Right, so that's the entire, in fact, convoy that's just left. Jammu Kashmir House, Sanket, really doesn't need too much of an introduction, because the people in Delhi know it for its very awesome and yummy Rogan Josh. But today, it's the political curry here and the flavor here that is making headlines, and of course, is the focus of all attention, Sanket.
Absolutely, and let's enjoy some maybe at a later date, Smita. Let me quickly go across to Brijesh Pandey, who's on the other side, that venue where the meeting is actually going to take place. Brijesh, Mufti Mohammad Saeed has left the Jammu and Kashmir House. That meeting expected to start at 9:30. It's really that common minimum program that we are talking about. Before I come to you, let's quickly play out this old interview, an exclusive interview that was taken yesterday by TV Today Network when Mufti Mohammad Saeed landed in the national capital. Let's play this interview and we'll be back to our reporters.
कुछ एजेंडे रहने वाले हैं आपकी गवर्नमेंट के
क्या?
मिनिमम प्रोग्राम सीएमपी
नहीं, वो तो कल डिस्कस करेंगे पीएम के साथ हम नेचुरली वी आर मीटिंग टुमारो। हाँ हाँ,
कई ऐसे विवादित मुद्दे हैं जो कंट्रोवर्शियल इश्यूज, उस पर लेके क्या लाइन रहेगी?
उसमें मतलब है कि 23 दिसंबर को चुनाव हुए। मेरे ख्याल में 26 दिसंबर से हमारी वार्ता आपस में बातचीत शुरू हो गई दोनों तरफ से, तो उस पर चलता रहा हमारे मुद्दे, उनके मुद्दे, कॉमन मुद्दे। तो एक कॉमन मिनिमम प्रोग्राम बन रहा है जिसकी सहमति कल प्राइम मिनिस्टर से भी मिलेंगे, वो होगी। तो
370 को लेके बीजेपी और
मैं इश्यूज पे मैं नहीं आऊंगा, वो जब मैं सब बताऊंगा तो फिर क्या कल क्या बताए। कल मेरे ख्याल में 9:30 बजे 9:30 ओके।
तो और कौन कौन से ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिस पर
वो तो आएगा ना, वो हमारे प्रोग्राम में आ जाएगा। वो इट विल कम, इट विल बी इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट। ये तो देखेंगे सब लोग, सब देश की जनता देखेगी क्या हम कर रहे हैं।
Okay, Brijesh, you know, that really is the suspense. What really is there in that common minimum program? Mufti Mohammad Saeed yesterday told the TV Today network that if he discloses everything, then what will be left for today? So obviously all eyes will be on that crucial common minimum program. Who has climbed down how much, isn't it?
Well, Sanket, nobody knows exactly the extent of climb down by both parties, but as Shuja was saying, it's an extremely risky political maneuver taken by both parties. So it looks like that they have agreed to meet at midway because no party wants to have a single word which can go against them, and that can, because that would be politically disastrous for both the parties. And if that is done, PDP in Valley and the BJP in both Jammu as well as in Delhi will have to be an incalculable political loss. So that is the reason why drafting of words or the drafting of common position vis-a-vis the Article 370 or AFSPA or talking to Hurriyat or Pakistan, it took close to 2 months before they arrived at some sort of consensus. Nobody knows till now exactly what has been the phrasing of the words, but that is something on which everybody is keenly looking forward to, because that will be the real yardstick which will let us know which party has clamped down how much. And it is a big political risk which both these parties are taking, because the position of BJP in the Valley or the position of PDP in Jammu is extremely averse, and these two parties coming together is a big of a political risk. That's the reason why the CMP is still now a big guarded secret. Sanket?